Hello everyone. I wanted to take a moment to really talk about the positive change model. A couple of you have had expectations in terms of learning as much as you possibly can about creating change where you work and taking your organization to a new dimension of success or helping teams and helping leaders. The positive change model is an incredible tool. I've used it as an interventional tool. I've used it as a part of a strategic planning process. You're going to be using part of it in terms of applying it to the GE case study, but then the major opportunity you have is where you actually have to apply the positive change model to Cambridge College in terms of what would create a situation where Cambridge College would be looked at as maybe the college of choice in its markets, and certainly as an excellent academic institution. And you'll notice elements: strategy, structure, systems, style, staff, communications, facilities. All of those things are interchangeable, and you can drop off those elements and put elements in positive change model that are more appropriate to your organization. That's the flexibility of it. Then you take managers through an opportunity to say, okay, what's our vision of the future? If we were at an ideal operating state, if we were operating at an ideal state, if you will, what would be different about us as an organization? And what would be different about certainly our vision? And once you get that down, one of the next things in terms of style is, how do we want to go after that vision? What are the operating principles? And you just keep on going down the elements of the structure, or the positive change model. How should we be structured? Are we structured now in a way that will allow us to achieve our vision? And our vision, of course, is that new vision that you created with your team. What are our core strategies? And are they the strategies that will get us to achieving our vision? What about systems and technology? How are we using that to support the activities and projects and everything else in the organization to allow us to achieve our vision? What about our staff and our staff competency? Do they have the right set of competencies that we need to drive towards our vision? So that's really what the positive change model is. It's asking the questions and taking one of the elements at a time and understanding, what do we need to do, either to restructure, either to use technology differently, that will help us create an ideal operating state. So that's just a quick overview of it. I encourage you to kind of look at the PowerPoint that I have. I'm going to add a couple more things to the PowerPoint. Maybe I'll use Jing to do that, and I'll shoot it off to you. But study that, because it is an absolutely incredible interventional tool to help a group and help a leader put together some plans and actions that will allow the group to start the journey towards an ideal operating state. I'm not going to get there next week, next month, maybe not even next year, but it starts a process of people constantly thinking about, what do we have to do differently in terms of communications to really reach our vision? So that's the power of the positive change model. So I hope this helps a little bit, kind of set the tone for you. Have a great day. Bye.